Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. This time we're going to continue our solving present problem. We are now in number 9. A rice grower produced 680 sacks of rice last year. This year, his production decreased by 25%. How many sacks of rice did he harvest this year? So our solution of this problem, the same process, we have to write all the given information like 680 sacks, and 25% is the rate of decrease. Then we go back to the questions. What is asked? How many sacks of rice did he harvest this year? So we have to multiply 680 times 0.25. We're going to change the percent into decimal number. So the product is 170. Then this 170 subtract from 680. So 680 minus 170 equals 510 sacks of rice to be harvested this year. Okay, our next problem is number 10. Graduating class of 680 grade 6 pupils. 40% are girls. Of the number of girls, 50% choose to enroll in science high school. How many girls will go to a science high school? So our solution, first we have to pick up or to write all the given information. 680 grade 6 pupil, and 40% are girls, and out of 40% of are girls, we're going to get the 50% choose to be enrolled in science. And then we go back to the questions. What is asked? How many girls will go to the science high school? To solve, we have to multiply 680 times 0.40. We're going to change the 40% into decimal number, and the product is 272. Then this 272, multiply it by 50% again. So 272 times 0.50 equals 136. So our complete answer, 136 girls will go to science high school.